Okay, dear student, good morning. We are going to learn the fill in the blanks, the first video for the S2. Let's see here, the first of all that we've got here the suture or intersections, and we need to see that where they are, or write the name of the bones. That here we go to the first of all the coronal suture. The coronal suture is present between the frontal and the parietal bone. Second, the sagittal suture that is present between the two parietal bone. Lambdoid suture is present between the parietal and the occipital bone. Next, we got here the two intersections, bregma and the lambda. So the bregma is present between the intersection of the coronal and the sagittal suture, and the lambda is present in between the intersection of the sagittal and the lambdoid suture. Go to the next. We got here pterion. That is actually the intersection present between the four bones. We got here the frontal, parietal, temporal, and the sphenoidal. And this is a weak point in the skull. Next, we got here the ostrion. That is also the intersection that is present between the parietal, temporal, and the occipital bone. We got here the squamous suture that is present between the parietal and the squamous part of the temporal bone. We got here the nasion, that is the intersection present between the frontal and the nasal bones. We got here occipitomastoid suture that is present between the occipital and the mastoid part of the temporal bone. Here is a summary you can try to do by yourself. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.